Hello guys, Igor here, doing one more AppSumo review today analyzing Soundpiece, a tool that claims to quickly produce original royalty-free music on an AI-powered audio platform. Soundpiece is an audio platform that uses AI to generate original music that you can use in any project without paying for royalties. It's an alternative to Point 5, Artlist, and Audio Jungle. You can create unlimited royalty-free songs with that tool. So it's pretty simple to understand how this tool works. So it's an audio tool. You're going to use it to create new pieces of songs using AI. So you just generate the song and the AI will create the type of song you want. The deal is pretty easy to understand. So you're gonna get all the Pro Plan features and lifetime access. You don't get their VST plugin, but you can get it as an optional add-on for $3 per month. And you're gonna get unlimited song creations, unlimited storage, and 50 downloads credits per day. One credit is one song, so you can download 50 songs per day. Okay, and you get all the commercial license, so you can use on YouTube, on your movies, for your clients, etc. No many limitations here. So let's take a look at the tool. The first thing you're going to do is to click on create to go to the dashboard, and here you can create your song. You may choose between songs, chords, and beats. For the sake of that review, I'm going to choose songs, and you can choose the style. They have the love style here that people love, the sad one. Let's try the sad one. And on length, you can choose short or long. Let's select long. You can see that it's pretty fast. You're going to create the song pretty fast. So now I have a new song here, Nifty Fearless Cargo of Aurora. Click here to play. And I have my sad song. I can change here the length up to 230 minutes and the BPM. Okay, then you just click here on adjust. Let's try another one. Let's try the Lofi. Just click here on generate. Now I have a Lofi song. Let's say you want to check two. Just click on generate again. You can create unlimited ones, but you have 50 downloads per day. Okay, now I have two. Let's see it. My songs, let's say I like that one. If I like that one, I just go here and I can select download audio or MIDI. Click in here to download the audio and it's done. I have my MP3, I have my song. Okay, so it's pretty easy to create songs. It's an automatic process. I hope you like that tool. It's pretty different. If you like that tool, if you like that review, please click on the link in the description to help me to keep going. Thank you so much. Bye bye.